Now we will make a slip stitch through the back loop only. Insert your hook into back loop. Yarn over, pull up a loop and pull directly through loop on hook. Continue with these steps to the end of the row.